Today we're exploring congruence and similarity using three powerful tools: rotations, reflections, and dilations.
Let's break those down first, agent style. A rotation turns a shape around a point, like spinning it without changing its size. A reflection flips the shape over a line, like looking at its mirror image. A dilation makes the shape grow or shrink, but keeps the angles the same and the sides proportional.
Rotation equals spin. Reflection equals flip. Dilation equals zoom. Got it? Let's try them out.
Let's rotate a rectangle with equal sides. Since a square is a special rectangle, rotating it doesn't change the side lengths or angles. It's still congruent, same shape, same size.
Fold your triangle right down the middle. If both halves line up perfectly, that means every side and angle matches. Congruent triangles.
Time to flip! If we reflect one triangle over a line and it turns into a smaller or larger version, but the shape stays the same, that's similar. The angles are the same, and the sides are in proportion.
Let's try a dilation. That's a transformation that changes the size of the shape, but not the angles. If every side grows by the same factor, the triangles are similar.
Slide, rotate, or resize until one figure matches the other. If angles line up and sides are scaled evenly, you've got similarity confirmed.
Let's review like real geometry agents. Congruent equals same shape, same size. Similar equals same shape, different size, but sides must be proportional.
And our transformation tools: rotation, spin the shape around a point; reflection, flip it across a line; dilation, zoom in or out, keeping shape and angles the same.
So next time you see shapes, ask, did it spin, flip, shrink, or grow? That'll help you identify the transformation and unlock the congruence or similarity.